Hello everybody, it's Issac Jirjis, your mortgage professional, coming to you today to talk about mortgage renewals. So let's say you have a mortgage, you took a 5-year term that's coming up for renewal in about 6 months from now, and you're starting to think, renewal's coming up, what are my rates going to look like? And all of a sudden, your bank sends you an early renewal option. So 6 months before, it is very common that your bank would do that, or your lender, whoever you're with, that they'll send you an early renewal option with some options. Could be 1 to 5 year fixed terms, maybe a variable rate term, but many different options. The first thing you should do is, number one, is consult with a mortgage professional like myself. Contact your mortgage agent and send them a copy of the full package of what you've received. Number one, the reason why you want to do this is because, first of all, it doesn't cost you anything to do so. Number two, your mortgage professional can review what you've been offered and compare it to what's out there in today's current market, letting you know, is this a fair rate of renewal that they're giving you on all different options? Are there better rates out there for you at the moment? Because a lot of the times, your lenders will try to lock you in early and lock you in for another, let's say, 5-year term or so that once you're locked in, they're guaranteed to lock you in their books. They're going to make their interest. And the reality is you haven't given yourself enough time to review what other options are out there. So sometimes you may get an early renewal. The offers might be great and suitable for you. And, me as a mortgage professional could honestly tell you, say, hey, this is a great option. Go ahead with it. I think you should go with option A or B. Or I may say, there's a lot better rates out there today. And if you want to wait a little bit longer, closer to your maturity, or at this point, we can look to break the mortgage early to get you into a better option. Or we can wait a few months later down the road, maybe usually around 90 to 120 days before maturity is where we can lock in a great rate for you and a great mortgage product. And just making sure that you're doing the right thing. Because a lot of the times when you come up for renewal, you may not just want to renew. You might need some extra money to maybe potentially refinance and pay off some high interest debt at a lower rate. You may have a renovation that popped up that you need to take care of, that the house needs work and you don't have the funds available, and you've built up a lot of equity over time. So there's many different factors of what you would need upon renewal. If you're just looking to simply just move the same mortgage balance over to a better option, there's a lot of options out there. That's called a switch mortgage, when you're switching your mortgage balance exactly as it is to another lender. And then there's the option of refinancing, is when you're basically taking your mortgage from one option, moving it to another lender or your existing lender, and increasing your loan amount to either pay off debts, pull out equity to complete maybe a renovation project, as I mentioned, or for whatever other reasons that you might need those funds. So keep in mind, keep your options open. Don't go ahead and just sign the first offer you get when it comes to a renewal from your lender. And I would suggest always have it reviewed before signing anything with your mortgage professional. Because at the end of the day, again, it doesn't cost you anything to talk to us. And even if we help assemble a new mortgage for you or get you a better product, that's free as well. So there's no charge for our service. We are paid and compensated by the mortgage lender based on volume and how much business we complete with them on an annual basis. So feel free to reach out to me anytime, or your mortgage professional, whoever you're working with, to make sure the options that you're getting are fair. And if you found this information informative and you feel free to share it with your friends or family if you think it will help them, we'd really appreciate it. And feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll get back to you on the next video. Thank you.